lots of cool photos.
I explore.
Hey guys, Lucas from I Explore here. And today, as you can tell, I'm on the bullet train, heading over to Kyoto to shoot some videos for Rico, actually. And on the way there, I figured I'd take some photos on the train. Now, over the years, I've ridden the bullet train many times, and I kind of, you get bored, you kind of experimenting, you're in your seat, and you want to shoot out the window. And I realized that it would be fun to try to capture the motion of the train as well, to really show that, yes, I'm on a train taking these photos, not just trying to snap regular landscape shots. So what I like to do is put my shutter speed quite slow. So I have it on a 30th, but of course because it's so bright outside, my ISO is only on 100 and my aperture is on f11. And luckily the Ricoh has a built-in ND filter that's 2 stops. So effectively give me a shutter, like an aperture of f22 without actually going that high. I shoot these photos with my Nikon as well, my SLR, and then I put an ND filter on the front. Okay, so on a sunny day like this, you have to use the filter, most likely. And it's also fun to experiment to go even slower on the shutter speed, like a 20th or a 15th. But I find a 30th is just about right. And then what I do is I put the camera right against the window like this, and make it nice and level. Okay, and by having it against the window, I know I'm not going to have any camera shake, and also I'm not going to be aiming like left and right. It's just flush with the scenery, so the scenery is moving by perfectly horizontally across the frame. And one more thing, I did turn off the shake reduction because I find sometimes it gets a little bit, it actually doesn't work so well in this kind of case. Not really meant for this kind of situation. Yeah. Another little tip is I do sometimes put it just flat on the little counter here, because then it's perfectly level without any struggle. But I find it also more comfortable to hold it higher up. But the key is to get it right up against the window, because then you have a perfectly flush shot. Okay, and as we speak, Mount Fuji is coming into view. Right. So thanks guys for watching. That was a quick tip for you for shooting on the bullet train.